Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to another edition of Tete a Tete, an initiative from the Have Your Say Club talk show with our awesome club members. Hope all of you are doing great and taking very good care of yourself. Times have changed, and so have us. Time is the wisest counselor of all, and presently, it is asking us to stay alert and stay safe. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. Viewers, it is said that you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Our today's guest is brave, strong, and smart. Our today's guest is Ankit Makkad. Hi, Ankit. How are you?
Hi, all good, all good. What's
What's
about you?
happening?
All going good?
Great. So we'll start our conversation with a very basic question. I'd like to know a bit about yourself, and our viewers would also like to know a bit about yourself, the place you belong to, your education, a bit about your profession, and a very important aspect of everyone's life, family.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak up in front of everyone, and thanks a lot, HYS team and the Bhaskar you basically. And if I'll go by my journey, my schooling happened in Delhi. I'm born and brought up in Delhi itself, and I done my like 11th and 12th craft from the Rajasthan. Like my father is a government servant, so we moved to Jaipur, and I've done my further study 11th, 12th in Jaipur itself. And after that, I started at hotel management course and all. I moved to Chandigarh for my graduation part. So this is how the educational journey happened. In my family, like my father is a government servant, my mother is a professional teacher, and the wife is homemaker, and I have two kids. So this is what my family is.
So a simple, happy, and ideal family,
True,
right?
true.
Great. So, how did you land up in hotel management? Because this is something which is, a bit less heard. Because in India, the market is for either management or you do engineering.
True.
So, how did you come up with hotel management?
I'm a person who done commerce background, so I don't have a chances to enter into engineering segment. So definitely the chances would be there to become a CA or do something else. So I'm not that much person to enter into CA. The
Okay.
mathematics is not that strong. So I decided to move into hospitality industry.
Right.
Even done a case study, and then I hit up exam for IHM, and with the blessings, I got the opportunity to enter into hotel management. If you heard in 2004-06, there was too much craze to enter into IHM, or it was a very tough competition also. So people are keen to join IHMs. So it was why I moved into hospitality industry.
So, what do you do currently? I mean, in a hospitality industry.
Like currently, I'm into a business of hotel itself. So how
Hmm.
the journey began? I passed out in 2009, starting with the operation department of hotel. I was into front office department. Then move into sales. Done working till 2019 end. And with the last assignment, I was heading India for the sales, for leading ample of people, like more than 50, 60 people under me. And even done so many assignments for the organization. It was a startup. So be with them for 4.5 years and five. Then I decided to move into an own business. So I opened up my one venture in the Ranthambore location and second in Jaipur. And with the add-on, we are doing online management also for a boutique hotels. So that how my journey is begin. And currently, yes, finding a new ventures and opening new hotel definitely for the coming time.
So, how did this happen from kitchen to operations to sales? That's
like
interesting. Tell us something about that.
moving from the like entering into hotel industry, yes, the cooking things is already there in the mind, and definitely get an opportunity also when I was doing a training. But in the 2009, if you know, that was a pandemic situation happened, the recession was there. So there was a particular recession in 2009 in the world market, so hospitality industry got always a first hit. So always they that particular industry is getting a hit. So we revoked all the offers which we get. So I started my career in front office department. Still, the craze of kitchen and cooking food is already there. I'm very foodie and even interested in cooking the food too. वो चीज़ है, but the moving into kitchen to operation department is only I don't have a choice that particular time, so that's why I enter into operations, and then I move and getting my choice to enter into sales and marketing.
So do you still cook like at
Yes,
home?
yes, always. Like
Great.
on weekends, definitely, and somehow if we do hosting any kind of a party, so definitely one or two dish I prepare.
As they say, cooking is also kind of a meditation, right?
You can say a meditation, yes, you always put your time and flavors, and then you enjoy that food. So वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Wow, that's a nice way to put it. I actually like that. That's really nice. So I'm sorry, Ankit. As we've seen in the last 6 months, hospitality is the industry that is one of the worst hit, right? So, how do you plan to rebound, and how do you see? Because you this is not the first time that you're seeing this dip. You've already, as you shared, you've already seen this dip back in 2008 and 9 when you were studying. So, how do you plan to rebound this time?
Like if we compare the dip of 2009 and this 2020, it is totally a two different vertical, like a railway track. It's going parallelly, but it's a different scenarios. That particular time, it's a crush in the market or it's dipped down with the money part and the recession in the market. But the current scenario is the pandemic. It's the disease which is happening in entire the world. So due to this reason, I already told you the tourism industry hit early rather than any other industries. So
Yes.
it is totally slashed down by 90%. So it is only pending is 10%. You can see so many hotels are shut down. Some brands are planning to move to India different things now. So the situation on moving, we have to do a best part. Like in the industry, we need to change our pattern of working. As a hospitality is already famous for their providing a good quality services or a food and all. तो hospitality का नाम वो पहले से ही है. बट अभी करंट सिनेरियो को देख के हमें कुछ चीज़ें और बदलनी पड़ेंगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाइजीन. सो हाइजीन में इंडस्ट्री पहले ही ध्यान देती थी, बट और ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा. सो वो चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हुए कंट्री ने चेंजेस करे हैं, इवन इंडस्ट्री ने भी चेंजेस किए हैं. और बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि अभी करंट इंडिया मार्केट की अगर मैं बात करूं, तो इंडियन सब बाहर नहीं जाके इंडिया को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. सो वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, बिकॉज 134 करोड़ पीपल, अगर उसमें सिर्फ 40% पीपल भी ट्रैवल करते हैं, सो 40% पीपल भी बहुत बड़ा इंडिया को एक बिजनेस दे सकते हैं. जो वो बाहर जाते थे, तो वो इंडिया में ही मूव कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अब वो टाइम नहीं रहा जब बाहर के लोग अपने इंडिया में आएंगे. एटलीस्ट इट टेक टाइम. वो 1 साल और लग सकता है इसके ऊपर. जो सिनेरियो बता रहा है, मे बी 2022 में जाके सॉल्यूशन हो, वो भी उसका भी कुछ नहीं कह सकते. इट्स ऑल अबाउट ऑन वैक्सीनेशन एंड बाय. बट टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री डोमेस्टिक मार्केट से ही चल पाएगी. तो वी पीपल आर ट्राइंग कि हम उसको प्रमोट करें, ज़्यादा अच्छी सर्विसेज दें, एंड दी हाइजीन थिंग्स को लाइक प्रॉम्प्टली रखें उसे. तो यही सब अभी चल रहा है करेंटली.
Nice, nice, great insights. Ankit, talking to you, has made me realize that your life has been full of ups and downs. Right? You've seen ups, good times, not so good times, getting a job, then getting it revoked, then starting from a altogether different stream, from kitchen to sales. How do you manage to strike a balance between your professional life and your personal life? I mean, just want to get an insight, about the life of a hotelier. I mean, I just want to understand. I mean, it looks very fancy from the outside because whenever I visit a hotel, it looks fancy. Boss,
So
this is great. This is something that I should do. But then talking to you has made me realize that it's not that easy. So, how do you see that, and how do you specifically strike a balance, as I asked, between your
yeah, like
personal life?
definitely it's very nice question to ask from the hotelier कि how the hotelier life is. It is fact इसमें ups and downs are too much. बहुत ups and downs आते हैं इंडस्ट्री में. इवन अगर मैं होटेलियर की बात करूँ, तो होटेलियर कैन डू एनीथिंग. अब डॉक्टर है तो वो सिर्फ डॉक्टरी करेगा, इंजीनियर है तो वो इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में जाके काम करेगा, और अदर सेगमेंट के जो लोग हैं वो स्पेसिफिकली अपनी सेगमेंट में स्ट्रांग हो जाते हैं. होटेलियर क्या है, मल्टीटास्किंग पहले से ही होता है. उसको फ्रॉम द डे
Okay.
वन सिखा दिया जाता है कि यार तुम कुछ भी करने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ, बिकॉज होटल के अंदर भी देर आर सेवरल डिपार्टमेंट, सेवरल थिंग्स. तो हर चीज़ के लिए उसको तैयार कर दिया जाता है कि हाँ तुम कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी हो जाओ, और इन केस अगर अपना भी कुछ करना पड़े तो यू कैन डू इट. सो दैट हाउ दी स्टार्ट लाइफ वन, बिकॉज जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा कि किचन में लाइफ हुआ, देन एंटर इनटू ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट, देन लर्निंग करी, सेल्स में आए. सो ये अप्स एंड डाउन हर तरफ आते हैं, ट्रैवल बहुत ज़्यादा करना पड़ जाता है, इवन इंडस्ट्री के में टाइमिंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेंड करने पड़ते हैं, एंड वी गाइज नीड टू लीव सो मेनी थिंग्स. वो हमें इंडस्ट्री की शुरुआत में सिखा दिया जाता है कि तुम्हें 3 F तो छोड़ने पड़ेंगे. 3 Fs are like friend, family and functions. Then only you can become a hotelier. So बाकी किसी भी स्ट्रीम के अंदर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि आपको कुछ ऐसा छोड़ना पड़ेगा तभी तुम वो बन पाओगे, क्योंकि बाकी सब चीज़ों में इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर लर्निंग, योर स्किल्स एंड यू गेट अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट इन दिस इंडस्ट्री यू हैव टू लीव दिस, देन ओनली यू कैन सक्सेस. तो रीजन है उसके पीछे, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर इनटू ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट यू नेवर नो कि जाने का टाइम है, आने का नहीं पता. यू नेवर नो कि कौन से गेस्ट कब आ जाएंगे, क्या मोमेंट होने वाला है, होटल्स फुल चलेंगे या कैसा है. सो आप ऑन ड्यूटी जब पहुंचते हो तो आपको शाम को आने का टाइम फिक्स नहीं होता. सेम वे इन द किचन डिपार्टमेंट, सेम वे सेल्स के लिए, सेल्स के रात को 12 बजे भी फ़ोन बजते हैं अगर कोई पंगे हो जाए. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट द होटेलियर लाइफ इज. बाकी अदर में फिर भी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो मैनेजेबल है, बट ये इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा से चैलेंजेस आते हैं. So it's a
So
fine one.
how do you manage your family, because you have a you know
Like managing family, इसीलिए मेरा जो जर्नी रहा लाइफ का, आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर इन 2009. मैंने लुधियाना से करियर शुरू किया था, फिर मैं एक और सिटी लाइक मूव किया हैदराबाद में. आफ्टर दैट आई डिसाइडेड आई हैव टू बी इन जयपुर ओनली विद माय फैमिली. सो वही एक ऑप्शन मेरे पास अच्छा था कि आई कैन स्पेंड टाइम एटलीस्ट ऑन वीकेंड या व्हेनेवर आई गॉट ऑफ, तो मैं पूरा टाइम घर पे दे पाऊँ. So else तो टाइम घर पे देना है, इट्स अ वेरी टफ टास्क व्हेन यू आर इनटू एनी वर्किंग जॉब. इवन अदर प्रोफेशंस में भी चैलेंज आते हैं, बिकॉज लोगों को टीयर 3 सिटी से टीयर 1 सिटी में जाना पड़ता है टू गेटिंग अ गुड ग्रोथ. बट इन इंडस्ट्री में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ठीक है, इट्स नॉट गेटिंग मच मनी पॉइंट ऑफ थिंग, एटलीस्ट आई कैन बी विद माई फैमिली. सो वो प्रायोरिटी डिसाइड मैंने खुद किया एंड आई गिवन देम अ टाइम. तो वो मैं उस जगह पे बैलेंस कर पाया अपनी चीज़ को, इवन माई वर्किंग वे. सो गेटिंग अ गुड लर्निंग्स, नए स्किल्स सीखना और सब कुछ करना, और सिमिलर टाइम में मैं अपनी फैमिली को टाइम देता है. सो दैट हाउ आई
great
मैनेज इट.
great and I really appreciate that, because it's not easy always to put your career online and come back to a smaller city. That's actually a problem with most of the small city people.
Agree, agree.
Right. You mentioned briefly about various departments of the hotel. Just wanted to know, what all departments do you have in a hotel?
Like in the hotel, there are operation teams called as front office department. F&B department is was where the restaurant, bar, clubs was operated. There is a housekeeping department who help
Mhm.
into cleaning and provide them a neat and clean area for to the customer. There is a kitchen department, so there how the food is cooked and वहाँ पे सारा preparation होता है. There is different department called security, or there is or concierge where they book for a taxi purpose and all. There is in the front office there are different verticals, like in the reservation team, revenue team. So there are different department how the entire hotel works. So that how the system go. तो कहते हैं ना, जो दिखता है होटल इंडस्ट्री वो अंदर से कुछ और है, और प्रैक्टिकली कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो नहीं अंदाजा लगा पाते कि एक्चुअल में क्या है. इट इज अ डिफरेंट
Right.
डिपार्टमेंट. वहाँ उनके लिए तो हम लोग सब एक हैं. दे आर वन लाइक इफ वी एंटर इनटू XYZ होटल, सो दे सेड इट इज XYZ होटल ओनली. इट डजंट मैटर वो कौन सी टीम है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन कितना काम करके अभी आया है मेरे सामने. कस्टमर कस्टमर है.
Right, and it's actually fascinating, because um, as a child also I remember going to hotels on vacations with my family. I could see everyone with proper shape, very
True,
sober and
true.
gentlemen, girls dressed very beautifully. But then it's actually tough. It's not very easy to maintain yourself every time, isn't it?
Very true. It is more important because in the industry you have to presentable. Even it's not about कि आप घर पे कैसे थे या आपको on the way आते टाइम आपके साथ क्या हुआ. Once you enter into premises, you have to very like soft spoken, very crisp and clear dress. Good fragrance should be come from you. So that is how you need to manage yourself. And doesn't matter what the time is. You can't see your watch always कि मेरा shift over हो गया.
Hmm.
इंडस्ट्री में वो नहीं होता. वो शिफ्ट ओवर वाला टाइमिंग इज नॉट देयर इफ इट्स इनटू फ्रंट ऑफिस डिपार्टमेंट. इवन कई ऐसी भी सिचुएशंस आती हैं व्हेन दी सेलिब्रिटी मूवमेंट आर देयर, व्हेन दी बिग शॉट्स और सम पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट इज देयर, तो वहाँ पे टाइमिंग तो कुछ होती नहीं है. तो वो होटल में जो इम्पोर्टेंट लोग हैं, इवन जो सीनियर पीपल्स हैं, दे इवन नीड टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम. वो बिल्कुल जूनियर्स जो ट्रेनी लेवल और वो सब है, वो शायद रिलैक्सेशन उनको मिल भी जाता है कुछ टाइम पे, बट जो प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट की टीम के लोग हैं वो वहाँ पे रहेंगे. तो स्पेसिफिकली उनकी ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो जाती है कि कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए टाइम में. तो वो ऐसा
Okay.
टाइम में निकलता है कि 2-2 3-3 दिन भी आप एक ही जगह पे, आप घर भी नहीं जाते हो, इवन डूइंग जॉब फॉर 9 आवर्स. तो पूरा टाइम वहीं पे आपको स्पेंड करना पड़ता
Tough indeed.
है.
So Ankit, as you said that you still cook. So, buddy, does it help in married life, cooking?
Yeah, it's always help in married life. Definitely, sometime when wife don't want to cook anything, or sometime I can say कि हाँ यार आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ बना देता हूँ. Even kids also enjoy when I cook a new dishes. So वो एक अच्छा लगता है. Even parents also feel कि हाँ वो 5 दिन से continuously वो similar food चल रहा था एक ही hand का, तो at least चलो taste change हो गया. So वो एक फर्क पड़ता है definitely. वो हर like person का, हर cook का taste का फर्क होता है. If it's a mother or a wife or sister, कोई भी कुक कर रहा है या मैं खुद कुक कर रहा हूँ, तो सबके कुकिंग का पैटर्न अलग है और टेस्ट में फर्क आता है. टेस्ट हाथ में होता है, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मसाले.
Wow.
हाँ.
So,
ये फर्क
to
पड़ेगा.
great. So, to all the bachelors who are viewing this particular conversation, and also not so happy married guys, that's the advice for you. Cooking does help. So, learn how to cook and grow beyond Maggie. That's not cooking, right, Ankit?
Maggie is not the cooking.
Perfect,
Even
great. Yeah, please go on.
even in the Maggie also, if you have a good creative mind, so you can create a different kind of Maggies also. It's not just a boil that particular Maggie, put some veggies and serve. So there are so many things. You can try a lot. You can put some
Great.
eggs, you can put some different things.
Actually, great tips. I'm sure all the bachelors who watch this video will have a lot of lessons to learn. Anyway, apart from your profession, what excites you? Any hobbies in particular you have?
Like hobbies, yes, I used to play some chess or a table tennis, and cooking तो मेरा एक शौक है. You would come into my hobby itself. बट हाँ, मुझे कुछ बुक्स लिसन करने का शौक है, कभी पढ़ने का भी. तो मैं लाइफ में अभी तक 2 ही बुक्स थोड़ा पढ़ी हैं, which is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, one of my favorite book, and some clips which I saw, it is The Secret,
Yes.
which even inspired me, and that particular time I become a sales guy. So वो एक टाइम था जब मेरी मूवमेंट चेंज हुई थी लाइफ की. That is what I done that particular time.
Great. Interestingly and coincidentally, The Secret and Rich Dad and the Poor Dad were the first two books ever that I had picked up. So great. Good to know you. And I'm actually enjoying this conversation. But then, since we have a constraint of time, I'll quickly ask you last couple of questions. Ankit, you've seen a lot in life. You've seen ups and downs. You've got a good family now. You have to take care of your family, and plus multiple responsibilities must be there on you. So, what has life taught you? What's your philosophy for life?
Life taught me कि whatever you done yesterday, at least ask yourself when you wake up what you done, what wrong and right, and implement right things in you. Leave that wrong part. And you don't know about your tomorrow, but yes, you need to prepare for that. But you actually don't know about your tomorrow. So live the current day and live your life happy. So that is what my philosophy is always says. जो बीत गया है उसको भूल जाओ, जो गलत बीत गया एटलीस्ट उसे भूल जाओ, अच्छी चीज को याद कर लो और अपने करंट को सुधार लो. That is actually required.
Great. Any message for our viewers?
The message is similar. It's for me. The philosophy is same. I want to tell to everyone, at least live your life. जो हो गया वो हो गया. आने वाले टाइम का हमें किसी को भी नहीं पता है कि होने क्या वाला है, बिकॉज वी नेवर नो कि ऐसा कुछ पैंडेमिक 2020 में एंटर भी होगा. कि ऐसे भी सिनेरियोज आएंगे कि वो इनिशियल ईयर में स्टार्ट होगा और एंड तक चलता रहेगा और आगे भी अभी नहीं पता है कि क्या सिनेरियोज हैं. सो डेफिनेटली get good learnings, improve your skills, and go ahead with your life. And for the message for the tourism industry, definitely I want to put one message to everyone. कि एटलीस्ट कम आउट फ्रॉम योर हाउस, बी सेफ एंड ट्रैवल. सो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है सबके लिए, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल कनेक्टेड. एवरी बिजनेस इज कनेक्टेड विद एवरीवन. एटलीस्ट एक
Right.
जना जब बाहर निकलेगा तो वो स्मॉल पर्सन को भी हेल्प कर पाएगा और बड़े को भी करेगा. So at least move out, be safe yourself, but move out from your house.
Great, great messages indeed. Ankit, thanks for taking time out with us and talking to us, sharing your life with us. It was indeed a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much, Ankit.
Thank you, Bhaskar. Thank you for giving me a chance to speak up in front of everyone.
So, viewers, that's the conversation today. That's our edition for Tete a Tete this week. A very important message. Do care about your future, but then don't forget to live your present. That's very, very important. Build your future in between. कभी कभी time निकाल के बनाते रहो, but then do live in your present. That's very important. With you next week with another awesome member from our club. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep living in present. This is your host, Bhaskar, signing off. Bye bye.